Guys, today we are making the creamiest cheese sauce. These are my ingredients that will be listed in the description box below along with step-by-step instructions. To my pan, I've added butter. Allow the butter to be melted. Now we will go in with the flour. At this point, we're making a roux. So I'm going to switch the spoon for my whisk. Make sure to whisk the flour in good. Allow all the grains to be cooked out. Now I'm checking, that is good. There is no grain in that flour. So now I will add my milk. Please add a little bit at a time. We do not want any lumps in our flour, in our mixture. So keep whisking until it is nice and smooth. Keep adding a little bit at a time. Now, before adding my cheese, I add 4 cracks of black pepper and whisk. Now I add my 4 ounces of cheddar cheese shredded and my 4 ounces of Velveeta cheese shredded. A little bit at a time and continue to whisk until everything has dissolved and combined nice and smooth. Look at that, guys. The consistency is just amazing. So cheesy, so creamy and delicious. This can be used for any kind of recipe, mac and cheese, baked fish and cheese sauce, etc. So if you guys like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Share this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Enjoy.